Yo, this is your boy Techno Tambo and I'm back with another video. So guys, I want to show you one guy who is extremely talented. Now this guy, he's a guru as far as phones are concerned. Meet this guy. My man, how are you doing?
I'm alright, thank you. How are you?
Cool. Say hello to my YouTube subscribers.
Hello guys, how are you doing out there?
Okay, so this guy is a tech guy. Okay, this guy can take your phone, dismantle it, and put it back again. Man, how did you learn how to do stuff like that?
It's just interest, man. Interest, and then I just had to learn every day, each and every day.
For real? That's a very complicated technology, man. Understanding iPhones, understanding Samsung phones.
Yeah.
That's a lot of work. How long did it take you to become this good?
I started fixing these things from 2017 up to now.
Wow, that's really cool. Now, guys, let him tell us his name because we want to know his name on YouTube as well as his actual name. My man, tell us, what are you called?
Okay, me, I'm Brandon Tino. I use Tino on my YouTube account. Tynoe.
Oh, Tynoe.
Noe. Tino.
Alright, so that's your YouTube name.
YouTube name, yes.
I'm going to put a link to his videos, guys, so that you can check them out. Okay. Now, this guy is not just a tech guy, he's also an artist. You see what I mean? How do you combine the two, man?
Oh, I love my Shan, so he's a technician and a musician.
Oh, it's very rare that you find guys who are very good at anything they do. You rock in music and you rock in fixing phones.
Yes.
That's very cool. That is very cool. So now, tell me, what challenges do you face when you're dealing with phones?
Okay, when it comes to phones, there's some phones which comes with a factory fault, and then you want to fix something else. You're trying to fix something else, and then the phone will just go off. A client can't understand that this phone has got it was having a factory problem. So those challenges, it will be difficult again. You start to fix something else, and then the income that you're going to get with the job that you're going to do is going to be hard.
What you've said is very interesting. I didn't know that there's such a thing as a phone having factory faults. So now, when you look at phones, which phones can you recommend like, let's say if you're fixing them, they are more in order. Which phones can you say are more in order?
iPhones, Samsung, my Redmi, my MI, and then my Google Pixel. Yeah,
okay.
More like that. My Infinix is just my charging port and screens.
I don't understand. When you say Infinix is charging port and screens, what do you mean?
I mean the faults that I usually fix. It's only my charging systems and my screens. Those are the challenges that they just bring.
Are those the most popular problems?
Yeah. Yes, those are the most popular problems. My Infinix, my Techno, just to change the screen, and my charging system.
Okay. Are you able to find spares right here in Lusaka, Zambia?
Yeah, some of them, especially these ones, my Infinix. There are a lot. But my Redmi, not yet. My MI, they are few. And Google Pixel.
Okay. So, I'm interested, and I'm sure a lot of viewers of this YouTube channel are interested. Which phones can you rate as your top 5 phones?
Top 5? There is iPhone, there is Samsung.
We want to know the actual ones. Like,
the actual ones.
Say iPhone, which one?
14 Pro Max to 16 Pro Max. Google Pixel from 6 Pro to 9 Pro. And my Samsung S24 Ultra and S23 Ultra. Yeah.
So what you're telling us is that those phones are like the cream de la cream, which you look at and like, yeah, this job was done.
Yeah, it's Milk Pro Max.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in terms of when they give problems, do they give extremely problems or at least they are manageable problems?
It's different when it comes to iPhones. When they start to be having problems on the engines, on the motherboard, it's very much difficult to fix it. And then when it comes to Samsung, it depends with how you are getting money. It has got an expensive screen. When you break it, it's going to be expensive to fix. Same with Google Pixels.
Now, here in Zambia, we are challenged with electricity. It's very difficult for us to find electricity. So which phone can you recommend for Zambians?
In Phoenix, in Phoenix Techno, but the same Mama Samsung, they have got a good battery.
Oh.
The big ones, yes. But
like which Samsungs?
the S24 one, S24 Ultra, S23 Ultra,
Okay.
yeah, the big ones. They have got a good battery. You can charge it from home and then you can use it the whole day. You charge it again when you get home. You'll be using it the whole day.
Okay, so like you mentioned some Infinix. Which Infinix?
Like Camon 20, from Camon 20, the latest ones. Camon 20, Techno, yeah, Infinix Hot 40, yeah.
Those are the ones you recommend for us who are struggling with electricity.
Yeah.
Okay, that's very interesting. Now, I want to know, like, do you have any track, your track, that you can play us now? Like now?
Yeah, I have.
Okay, just shoot us with one. We just want to have a feel of it. Okay guys, so he's going to hit us with a track, his own tracks. Okay, he's a producer, he's a musician, he's an engineer of phones, he's a multi-talented guy, guys. You guys should know that we have this kind of guys right here in Zambia, okay? We have this type of guys. Okay, maybe pump up the volume, man. Okay guys, can you feel that song, eh? That's him. This is Tino. Oh, Tino as he calls himself.
Tino somewhere, but Tino.
Man, this guy can sing, man. This guy can sing.
Yeah, we try. Yeah.
Okay, now, wait. I was about you to sing along. I was about to ask you to sing along.
This one is, we just give them just like a sample.
Okay, but we'll link the video at the end of this video, eh?
Yeah.
There's a video or audio on the internet, on YouTube.
Yeah.
So we can link it.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll link it. The title of this track is?
So this one is not yet out. That's why.
Oh, it's not. Ah, okay. You guys are very lucky. You have actually sampled a track which is about to be released. Okay,
Yeah,
but at the end of this video, I'll put tracks which we've already released, right?
Yeah.
So guys, give it up for Tino. Okay, this is a guy who's an artist and at the same time, he's a phones engineer. You know how hard it is to fix these phones? Very small screws, and very tiny electronic components. Guys, it takes a gift to get such jobs done. Okay guys, so until next time guys, hit me with a comment down below. This is your boy Technotambo. Till next time guys, have a good one.